children, once again I will explain your homework. Previous class homework is you have to shade the, what is the question? Is in textbook Nana. Page number 13. Mr. Piggy has made a zigzag pattern and hidden a shape inside it. The way of finding this shape is to find the even numbers and also color them. So here Mr. Piggy made a shape. We have to find that shape. Find that shape, what we have to do? The way of finding this shape is to find the even numbers. Find the even numbers from this table and color it. Understood? If you find and color the even numbers, you will get a shape. So what are the even numbers in first row? Are there any even numbers in first row? 3213, 215, 676. Very good. So shade that 676. Shade it. Next 113. Yes. 531 is also an odd number. Next go for second row. 619 odd. 935 is also odd. 2844. It is an even number. So shade that even number. Next 127 odd. 333 is also odd number. Next 97 odd number. 498 is even number. 3680 is also even number. 78 is also a even number. 1564 is also an even number. 218 even. 10 is also an even number. 228 even. Very good. 68 is also an even number. Okay children. Next 81. 81 is odd number. 735 odd. 8 even number. So shade 8. 2 even. Very good. 1574 even. Why all these numbers are even? How can you say? Because 0, 2, 4, 6 are 8 in ones place. So this is an even number. Next 2458 is also an even number. 276. Very good. It is also even number. 6 even number. 22 is also an even number. 687 is odd number. Go for next one. 287 odd number. 18 even number. 4 even. 224 yes even. 1026 even. 5738 is also even number. 754 even. 28 56 yes 28 and 56 also even numbers. Next 77 4148 very good, it is even. 3848. So what is the next even number? 46. Next 634. Next yes 6080 is also even number. 76 even. 4928 even. Next 1315 is odd. 721 is odd. 7837 is odd. 5197 odd. 1168 is even. 6547 odd. 1111 is also an odd number. So did you get this shape? What is this shape? What is that shape? Mr. Piggy made a star. Understood? Did you get this shape? Good. Next, today we are going to learn additions and subtractions. Okay children? Today we are going to learn additions and subtractions. Have you seen a 3-digit or 4-digit number in our real life? Have you seen a 3-digit or 4-digit number in our real life? Where? Yes, helpline numbers. Next, any more? House numbers. Okay, on helpline numbers and house numbers also. Can you say a 3-digit or 4-digit number? 435. It is a 3-digit number. Next, can you say a 4-digit number? 4-digit number. 2530. So 435 is a 3-digit number and 2530 is a 4-digit number. Now by using these numbers, today we are going to learn additions and subtractions. So first, can you add these two numbers? Can you add these two numbers 435 and 2530? 435. And the next number is 2530. So here 4 digits are there. So can you arrange like this only? Is it right? This is wrong. Understood? This is wrong. 2530. Here 0 ones are there. So 0, 3 tens are there. So write 3 under tens place and 5 hundreds are there. So write 5 under hundreds place and 2 under thousands place. Now what is the symbol of addition? Plus. Like this we have to arrange. Understood? Like this we have to arrange. If both are 4-digit numbers only. 3435 and 2530. So directly we can arrange 3435, 2530. Understood? So we can arrange them easily. If one is 3-digit number and another one is 4-digit number, then you have to arrange carefully. Understood? Now additions, subtractions, we should start from which place? From ones place. So 5 plus 0 is. Here what are the ones place digits? 5 and 0. So first add 5 and 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is how much? Yes, 6. 5 plus 4. 5 plus symbol of subtraction? Symbol of subtraction is minus. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 5, not possible. So what we should do? Borrow from thousands. We cannot subtract greatest number from smallest number. So we should borrow from next place value. So what is the next place value? Thousands place. So here 3 thousands are there. 3 thousands place, no, it is nothing but 3 thousands. From 3 thousands we have to take 1000. Then how many thousands left? 2 thousands left. We are taking 1 from 3. So how much is left? 2. And 1000 is nothing but 10 hundreds, no? 1000 is nothing but 10 hundreds. 1000 is nothing but 10 hundreds. That means we are taking 1000. If you convert into hundreds, it becomes 10. 10 and more 4 are there. So total 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Count forward counting. This is 5 now. So 5 of 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much 14 minus 5 is? Yes, it is 9. 2 minus 2. Good. 0. So what is the answer? 905. Now open your textbook. All of you take out your textbook, page number 14. Add the following. Practice zone 7. Textbook and classwork also. Take out your textbook and classwork also. Note down these questions in classwork. There is no space. They are not given the space. So what is the first bit? Add the following. Note down in classwork. Use pen summa. So 1749 and 2184. 2184. So first arrange them in columns. 1749 and this is also a 4-digit number. So arrange under 1749. Here 2 thousands are there now. So write 2 under thousands place. 184. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Now do the addition. Start addition from ones place. What are the ones place digits here? 9 and 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 is carry over and 3. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Again 1 is carry over and 3. 1 plus 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the answer? 3933. And next one 2309 and 3230. 2309 and 3230. So same like first problem only, you have to arrange them in vertical way. So 2309 plus 3230. Very simple it is. Very simple it is. Start from ones place. 9 plus 0. 941. Same. Arrange in. After that 1941. So start addition from ones place. 1 plus 1 2. 7 plus 4 is. Very good. It is 11. 9 plus 2. 11 plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is the answer? 4212. Understood? Next. Second problem, find the sum of smallest 4-digit number and largest 4-digit number. Find the sum of, second sum, find the sum of smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number and largest number. Smallest 4-digit number and largest 4-digit number. Smallest and largest 4-digit numbers. So do you know what is the smallest 4-digit number? What is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, very good. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number? Good. 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. Okay, children. So, smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Next, greatest or largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number. 4-digit number means it is also have 4 digits only. So arrange under thousands place. 9999. Now what we have to do? Sum. Sum means what we should do? Addition. So what is the symbol of addition? What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Now do the addition. 9 plus 0. 9. 9 plus 0. 9. 9 plus 0. 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So what is the answer? 10,999. Understood? What is the answer? 10,999 is the answer. Understood these additions? Next. Once open your worksheet, page number 9. Add the following numbers. In page number 9 also additions are there. In page number 9 also additions are there. Once see these additions mark, total 6 additions are there. I will explain 2 additions now. question in that. 1629 from 6843. Subtract 1629 from 6843. In additions we can arrange in any order, but in subtractions always we should arrange the greatest number first and smallest number next. Okay, so here subtract 1629 from 6843. We should subtract this number from this number. Understood? This number from this number. It means first we should arrange 6843, and also it is greater than 1629. Here from is given now, so you have to remember if there is from in between two numbers in subtractions, first you have to arrange the second number first. So 6843 and 1629. Already I explained what is the symbol of subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is? Can you subtract 9 from 3? 9 is greater than 3 now. So we can't subtract. We can't subtract 9 from 3. So what we should do? If subtraction is not possible, then we have to take borrow from besides place. So this is ones place now. Beside ones place is, before ones place is tens. So you have to take 1 from tens. Here 4. 4 is there. So if you take 1 from 4, how much is left? 3. And here 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is how much? 13 minus 9 is 4. Very good. You can count you can do forward counting. This is 9 now. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much? 4. So 4. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is how much? Yes, it is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. Very good. 5214. And the next question is 2371 from 4525. Same. Arrange the greatest number first. 4525 minus 2371. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 7. Not possible. Good. So borrow from 5. 5. Good. 4. And 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is? 12 minus 7 is? This is 7 now. So count forward. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much? 5. 4 minus 3 is? 4 minus 3. 1. 4 minus 2 is? 2. Here also you can In one city, 3,775 people use ATM every day. Of these, 2,009 are men. How many women use the ATM machine every day? Here, total how many people are using ATM? How many people are using ATM? 3,775 people are using ATM every day. Out of these 3,775 people, how many are men? How many men are there? 2,009 men are there. Remaining are women. 2,009 men are using ATM per day. Remaining are women. So remaining women means how to find how many women are using ATM. Find subtraction. Very good. So total number of people. How many people are there? Total number of people using ATM. So how many people are using ATM per day? 3,775 people. So out of these 3,775 people, how many men are there? It is nothing but number of men. So how many men are there? 2,009 men. So 2,009. Now we have to find the number of women. How to find the number of women? For example, you have 10 pens. You have 10 pens. Out of the 10 pens, 7 pens are blue color pens. Remaining are red color. So how many red color pens are there? 3. Very good. Subtraction. So what is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. So do the subtraction. 5 minus 9 is not possible. So borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is very good. 6. 6 minus 0. 6. 7 minus 0. 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. So how many women are using ATM? 1,766. Therefore 1,766 women use the ATM every day. Use the ATM every day. Understood? Now your homework is in page number 9, 6 additions are there. Once open your workbook. All of you take out your workbook. In page number 9, 6 additions are there, and in page number 10, subtractions are there. So you have to do these additions and subtractions. Okay children, do in workbook. Already they are arranged. So directly you have to do additions and subtractions. So today's homework is page number 9.